Hello guys, good morning. This is Ferdy again and welcome sa aking channel. And for today, we're going to Hook Supreme Fall Winter Collection Week 17. And as of now, nandito tayo sa labas ng Atmos. Ayan. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to do so because we're giving away a pair of sneakers by 1K subs. So having said that, balik po tayo sa video. Bali, kakabukas lang nila guys. And sa nakikita nyo, we have a pair of Jordan 11s. Gratitude yung pangalan nito. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung leather quality. Tumbled leather siya. And gold yung hints niya. And nandito pa rin yung blue suede shoes. Ayan, Jordan 1 reimagined. And here on the inside, nagsastock na sila ng mga A6. Ayan. Gel 1130. This is a collaboration with Atmos and Ojos or Ojos. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce. So they still have a pair of the fours here. Ayan yung craft and the military red. Sa taas, they have the Jordan 2s. Ayun, naka-sale pa oh. 30% off. Bali, marami pa rin pala sila dito naka-sale. Kahit yung mga Jordans dito sa baba. Ayan. So, ito po yung mga selections nila ng Vomeros for now. And Scorpions. So, here we have a pair of 1906Ds, protection pack. And nag-glitter siya. I think this is a 3M material all around the shoe. Ayan. And here we have the 9060. Ang ganda ng lacing system niya, oh. Olive and brown. Ganda ng kulay, guys. Ito naman ang sambals nila, guys. Ayan. Ito, hindi ako familiar kung ano to. Check ko natin. Ito ang tawag nila dito is Bermuda. Ayan, or Bermuda. Purple and burgundy. So, ito. Mga A6 nila. Ngayon lang sila nag-stock actually ng A6 gel Kayano 14. Ayan, mga A6 gel Kayano 14 guys. Grabe, palaging sold out to dito sa Japan. Pero sa ngayon, nag-restock sila. Ang gaganda. Ito yung collaboration nila with Ojos or Ojos. Hindi ko alam. Tignan nyo yung sock liner guys, oh. Para siyang wave. Ang ganda ng pattern. Ang ganda ng pattern guys. Paano kaya nila ginawa yun? And they have this gray colorway. Black. And the gold one sa taas. Okay guys, so that was Atmos for you. And now we're going up kasi may pupuntahan tayong reseller store. And pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nandun. now, papunta tayo ng Bape. Hello guys, so we're inside Bape and meron tayo ditong Bapesta na medyo iba yung material. So we have the silver and the gold one. Ayan. And next, dito tayo sa baba. Meron silang Bape na pants. Ape shall never kill ape nakalagay. And on this side, nandyan pa rin yung mga winter collection nila for Christmas season. Shirts, ayan, Bape head logos. So, Canada Goose collaboration with Bape. Mga vest and puffer jackets. And bali ito, mga jackets na iba. OVO Bape. Yan, Bape shirt. So, yun. Collaboration with Bape. Meron silang Coach jacket. Ayan yung material niya. And on the back, yun yung logo. Para siyang may halo. Bape head na may halo dun sa taas ng ulo niya. And yan yung tag. Bape, ape shall never kill ape. Yun. So, bali, ayun lang yung nandito guys. So, dito naman tayo sa counter. Meron silang mga Bapex dyan. Ayan, mga accessories. Wall clock. G-Shock Bape. Mga iPhone cases. Ayan. Lighter sleeves. And dito tayo sa salamin. Hi guys. Ayan ako. So guys, that's what they have on Bape. And now we're going to Supreme. Titignan natin kung ano makukuha natin. Hindi ko alam kung papalarin pa tayo sa box logo. Kahit na maaga tayo dumating. Grabe. So guys, that's what they have in Supreme, and for now we're going to go in Acne Studios. Hello guys, so they said that I need to be in the store by 4 to 5 p.m. tomorrow. So babalik na lang tayo bukas and update ko lang kayo kung ano nakuha ko. So ngayon guys, pupunta tayong GU since may order pa tayo doon. Okay, so hello guys, we're in GU and for now kailangan nating hanapin yung mga items. Grabe, hirap pala maghanap dito sa GU guys. Bali, i-contact ko lang yung staff para tulungan tayo. Hello guys, so here we have the items. Grabe, ang bilis ng customer service nila. Alam nila kung saan yung mga items. Bali yan. Meron pala tayo dito ang denim jacket. Bali, check out na tayo guys. And place lang natin dito yung items. So, we have baggy slacks, cardigan, tapos yung denim jeans na baggy. And we also have this Levi's looking jacket. And here, language para maintindihan nyo. Continue. Start. No. Scanning. Automatic scan na yung lalabas. Ayusin natin. Ayan. Bali, yan lahat ng items. No. Next. Confirm. 4 lang naman yun. Yes. So, 1 bag for 10 yen. Print official invoice and cash natin babayaran. And there, we insert the cash. So, here, we will insert 20,000 yen. Ayan, kinuha niya na. And we finalize. Ayan. Ito yung receipt. Nandun yung change, yung coins and bills. So, yun lang siya. Ganun lang kadali mag-order dito sa Gio, guys. And itong hanger pala, guys, kailangan nyo ibalik siya dito. Ayan. Naka-organize siya. Yung sizes. And kuha tayong bag. Pinakamalaki na para hindi hassle. So, bali, ganun lang mag-order, guys. Napakadali. And if you find yourself here in Japan, you can just check out Gio. Kahit saan naman meron siya. And ito na po yung order natin. Hello, guys. So, tapos na akong mag-cook and nakuha ko na lahat ng items ko. And for now, nandito po tayo sa Taco Fanatico in Nagoya. And nag-order lang ako nito. Soda and pakita ko sa inyo kung ano in-order ko, guys. Ganito pala dito, guys, oh. As you can see, yung bar nila andyan. Harap lang namin. And kasama ko po ang misis ko. Nandito siya sa tabi ko. Medyo camera shy. And as you can see, their aesthetic is, of course, Mexican. So, that's Dia de Muertos sa mga dolls. And tequila lang sila dito since, yun nga, tacos are Mexican. So, this is the second course. Tacos sila. And, ayan, grilled chicken. Meron din siyang sauce. This is avocado and yun naman ay salsa. Tara, kain tayo. So, sunod natin itong grilled chicken. Ayan, mausok pa siya. And, lagay natin dito. So, this is dip and salsa. Try natin siya, guys. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. If may mainit na chicken, huwag kayong gagaya sa akin. Huwag niyo kainin kaagad. Try nyo munang i-cool off siya. Bali, nag-dip na lang ako salsa dito. Bite-sized portion. Para if may init man, hindi tayo mapasok. Try naman natin yung walang sauce. Proof naman, guys. Bali, guys, yun pala yung Taco Fanatico. If ever you find yourself here in Nagoya, I highly suggest to check them out. And masasarap kasi mga pagkain nila. And marami rin silang cocktails doon na ginagawa. So, bali, guys, doon na nagtatapos yung video natin. And if na-enjoy nyo, please press the like button. And I'll keep you posted sa mga next videos natin. And as always, this is Ferdy signing out. Bye-bye!